Guys, this is technology, bro.
So the piece that I was cutting is glass on glass, direct. So, and then they join.
Yeah.
And then click, and then you put on that PC so that they can just stay there and not break.
Load of cable or fiber.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Fokou Media. South Africa is not what you think, guys. Today I'm taking you to Sandton in Johannesburg. What are we doing today in Sandton? We're going to be meeting Eugene. Eugene is a fiber technician. We're going to share the technology of fiber. Stay tuned till the end of this video.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like and share.
I thank you, ne?
Guys, it takes 4 years to be a technician of fiber. After matric, ne? Wow. Right now, what are we connecting?
I'm connecting a client.
Client.
Yeah, client.
Okay. Wow. There you are removing insulation.
Yeah, now I'm cutting it. I'm just making it.
And then here you link it.
Yeah. This is the one that joins it up.
Yeah, it's joined with this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Blue is going.
If your eyes is not good, you can't even do that, ne?
Yeah, but it affects the eyes.
Wow, I like it, ne? And you see here if it's connected.
Yeah.
If it's joined from here.
Yeah, it will show you.
Oh, wow. So actually we are joining to fiber.
Yeah, we're joining to fiber.
So the client will be able to have what? Internet?
Yes, internet.
So what is the supplying company here?
It's DFA.
DFA?
Yeah. And our company, Geo Construction and Bulletia, is like the main subcontract.
Okay, yes. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is technology, bro.
Yes.
When you're at home, you get internet, you don't even know how it works. Not joining.
Yeah, I just have to cut those pieces straight. So when it's not an accurate cut, straight, nice cut, they won't join.
You firstly have to detect which fiber going to that customer, right?
Yeah, we build it. It runs.
Yeah. Now it's joined.
Now it's joined. It's joined.
This thing should be hot, eh?
Yeah, it is hot in a manner, but now it has its process.
Yeah.
So it joins the fiber.
And there?
And that's the protection.
The protection.
You saw me cutting it.
Yes.
So the piece that I was cutting is glass on glass, direct. So, and then they join,
Yeah.
and then click, and then you put on that PC to protect the pieces
that
that
place
you
where you
cleave,
join.
so that they can just stay there and not break.
Okay.
Now that one will keep it together.
So when you
not
come
to
out,
break.
how does it look like?
I'll show you.
And okay, this sound showing that is ready.
Yeah, that shows now that it's ready. It's heated.
Oh, I can see.
You can feel it. It's hot, but not so hot.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
see? So
Nice. This one, this blue one, is joined to the red,
yes,
and then we protect it with this.
you protect it with this.
Okay, that's good. And now we are already connected to the customer.
Yeah, this one is connected to the customer. Yeah.
You have somebody by the customer to tell you if it's working.
As soon as we building, we the installers. So we build. After that, we test the load.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then
But one of these wires going to the customer house, right?
yes. Then one is going to where it starts.
To the network center.
Yes.
So it's only a small like this who supplying the client.
Yeah, it's only small like this.
Jesus. Not like telecom before with a lot of cable.
But a lot of cables now.
So actually this is to reducing cable.
The telecom man, it's still there, but it's glass. This one you can't steal it.
The one, this one.
This one. You see how easy can this thing break?
That's why you have to really be careful. Otherwise you're gonna break it even after joining.
You see. So you have to
join that one again.
Yeah, that's my fibers.
Oh, that one is not connected.
Yeah, I'm gonna connect them now to my client.
Okay.
This one, this blue and the red one that I was just fixing it.
If your eyes start finish, you cannot do this.
Yeah, that's why you can't work this job for a long time, sir. You know, you have to make money on the side. Name is
Eugene. Okay guys, I was here with Eugene. He's a fiber technician, busy connecting a client here in Sandton. So you can see how there's a lot of cable of fiber. Eugene, thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Sir.
Thank you. Wow.